Oura has formally declared the Oura Ring 4 in a market that has become somewhat more immersed than when the Gen 3 was delivered. The Oura Ring Gen 4 further develops exactness with Shrewd Detecting, adjusting to the client's fingers to track down the best and generally solid sign for seriously following precision. Since Oura's Keep Going model has been available, enormous names like Samsung have entered the scene and conveyed items that are amazingly like what Oura offers. The Cosmic System Ring is a decent item, yet it actually needs a ton of ways, and that implies it can't be a clearly better decision. Oura anticipates extending that hole with the Oura Ring 4. The organization has supposedly made the ring more agreeable to wear and somewhat more intelligent, as it can now distinguish designs in your finger to all the more dependably track vitals. The tech is named Brilliant Detecting and is controlled by a calculation that works with the real sensors in the Oura Ring 4. Those sensors are currently recessed and don't jut as much into the skin. The Ring 4 answers every individual's singular physiology, which incorporates elements of the wearer's finger, similar to complexion, BMI, and age. The ring brings natural-looking sensors outwardly. The red and infrared LEDs measure blood and oxygen levels during rest, while the green and infrared LEDs substitute to quantify pulse and pulse fluctuation the entire constantly. The Ring 4 likewise brings a temperature sensor and an accelerometer for development following. What has made Oura such a great apparatus in the past is the amount it really tracks, and the Ring 4 is the same. Here is a deficient rundown since Oura takes note of that there's something else to be followed in application. Pulse inconstancy, sleep time identification, rest arranging, blood oxygen levels, SpO2, cardiovascular age, cardio limit, VO2 max, daytime stress and versatility, body clock and chronotype, cycle bits of knowledge, programmed action discovery in addition to pulse zones. Oura states that Ring 4 raises to 8 days of battery duration. However, that will be demonstrated in everyday testing. As per the organization, the new savvy detecting calculation and sensor combo can use variable drove splendor rather than one consistent brilliant result. This is said to increment battery duration since less energy is being depleted day to day. The actual charger likewise takes on another plan. Rather than a round base, the charger is presently square and produced using aluminum. It can charge the ring in about 120 minutes, which is essentially more than it takes the Universe ring to charge completely. The new Oura application carries updates to pressure and movement highlights, which is something we've been searching for in contrast with Samsung's choices. The application joins the ring's ALS readings into more modest tabs for a simpler encounter. For example, programmed action following, stress following, and fruitfulness bits of knowledge all get a simple to track down spot in the application.